Imagine a world where every click of the camera is an act of mindfulness. A journey where creativity meets presence and photography becomes a path to inner peace. Learn to see with clarity, connect emotionally, and capture beauty around you with a mindful heart. From nature's inspiration to digital artistry, let your photography become an expression of your soul. Join me on this journey. Capture the moment, create your art, share your vision.